Hey guys, Alex Ryan here and welcome back to another video. It's good to have you here. Today's video we're going to be looking at getting started with Amazon and selling on Amazon FBA and finding products, because a lot of people I chat to, a lot of people who come to my events, they're just getting started, but they're very confused about the next step. They're not too sure about what to do, what tools do they need to use, where to even go about finding products to sell. A lot of people don't even know the first thing about finding products, or even finding out whether or not the products are actually in demand and are being searched after. And that's pretty darn important to make sure that whatever niche or industry or category you want to sell in on Amazon, you got to make sure that it is a niche that is actually selling. So I'm on Amazon right now, and we're going to be looking at a few different niches and a few different categories. All right. So a common category that people they want to jump on is the electronic market. So let's just type in let's just type in the AirPods, right? That's a common one right now. Everyone wants an AirPod. Everyone wants to walk around these two white things sticking out their ears, and they're pretty darn good too. But I'm only jealous because I don't use them. So guys, you jump on this niche and you look at it and go, wow, this is actually quite a good, it's in demand. It's very, very popular, obviously. We can do a quick search as well. We can actually use one of these tools that I use. If you're looking to get tools, guys, you can use tools. I use about 6 different tools to find products, okay, and to figure out whether or not I want to jump onto a niche. I don't just use one tool, I use quite a few. Now you can see here that people are making money. If you see that there, $8,347 per month. That's USD, by the way, so whatever that is in Australia or pounds, you have to do the conversion. But that's pretty darn good money. And let's just actually sort by reviews. So I want to see the least amount of reviews, but the maximum amount of revenue. That's usually what I go on. You can see here, they've got a lot of reviews, but not a lot of money. So that's a no-no sign of actually jumping onto that niche. You wouldn't want to jump onto that niche. This person's making $3,600 a month, and they've got 8 reviews, and they've got 5 daily sales. Not bad, $3,800 a month. And it's this particular product right here. I've actually seen that. I was in Shanghai a few weeks back, and I actually did see that niche there. I saw that. I went to 3 suppliers there, and one of the suppliers was actually this. This particular product, or this type of product. You can see here people are making a little bit of money with these. Now, a lot of these are not the typical brand. They're not the Apple brand. And the problem with that is, let's just go down to here. Okay, I've never seen that one before. That's completely irrelevant. The problem is that there is a lot, with anything technical, if this is your first product, you do not want to get into anything that has batteries, silicon chips, or anything that is technical or has too many moving parts. And the reason I say that is, if something happens, and actually ask yourself this question: if something actually happens to this particular product, like this product right here, it's a charging stand, right? And they're doing $8,000 a month USD, very low reviews. Good daily sales, and what's their bestseller rank? Bestseller rank, it's actually in the ideal bestseller rank as well, between 1 and 5,000. If something happened with this particular product, would you know how to fix it? And the answer is probably no. And if that's like my litmus test on whether or not I want to jump onto a particular niche. Because if I can't fix it, guess what? I have to hire someone to fix it, or I have to send it back to the supplier in China or Alibaba or AliExpress, right? So ask yourself that question, right? Whatever you want to get into, if something happens with the particular product, is it something that you can fix? And if it isn't, then perhaps explore a few other products, okay? Because you got to think about send it back to China. You got to get them to cough up on their warranty, and you got to do a whole bunch of other stuff as well. So, and of course, you want to make good by the customer. You want to sell great quality products that don't break. I usually go for things that don't have a lot of moving parts in it, things that don't require a lot of technical know-how. Only so few things that can go wrong with it. Like I jump on, initially for my students, I usually say you jump on the easy stuff, the stuff that can't really break. So we have a students importing pillowcases. These are pretty rare, unique pillowcases. Normally I wouldn't jump on that niche, but what we actually found this product together, and it is doing amazing volume. And these pillowcases, there's hardly any moving parts involved at all. It's actually, it plugs into something, and there's a little speaker in it, and it does a few other cool little things. I can't reveal the exact product because, obviously it's my students bringing this in, but it's only few moving parts in it. So that's probably something that you guys should look into as well. I mean, if you're looking to sell on Amazon and get started, go for easy products. Obviously products that are making money, but products that only so few things can go wrong with that particular product, all right? So that's today's tip, guys. If you know someone who's thinking about selling on Amazon or wants to start importing from China and finding awesome products from China that are in demand, and they want to sell this on eBay or Amazon or own e-commerce web store, please share this video, like, comment, share the video, guys. I'm on a mission to help as many people as I possibly can this year. I'm giving a lot of value, a lot of free content out, and if you're looking to do something, don't forget I also have a free video at my website as well. All right, so we actually got a free webinar where we go through 10 of some of the 10 hottest products right now that are selling on sites like Amazon, and I give those products away. All right, so guys, hopefully I'll see you there, and thanks for joining me. All the best, and to your Amazon success, guys. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.